Hello and welcome to our channel. I'm here today to help with buying the Starmish body, getting the Panthorian themed avatar add-on for Starmish, and also show you how to unpack, sort all the goodies from the installer and how to put on the body and get it working either with Second Life UVs or with Lilutka Evox UVs and with Bomb or with the classic onion layer avatar. All options are available. Now first we need to get the body, and I'm here at Good Vibes today because we have here a Starmish body store. Now if you run in there, you need to turn left to get to the Starmish vendor, and here it is. Now if you are a little fast with this, you might be able to catch our upgrade launch discount, because there is a 50% off until July 16th. Now getting the body is as usual in Second Life. You right click, pay, and then click the price here. Now have a look at this, 2,250 Linden dollars for a mesh body. That is a nice price, especially considering what you get for that, because Starmish body is not just a mesh body. It also comes with 2 different mesh heads that you can choose from and a ton of other things. You will see when we unpack this how versatile it is. Now that was the body. I already bought it, so I didn't click that one, but I have it here. This is what you get when you click. There's an installer and it says Wear Me. So we're going to do that, but first let's go and grab that Panthorian themed avatar add-on too. For that we need to go to the Second Life 20th birthday. So let's teleport there. And this is the Starmish body booth here. At the left again, here we have the Panthorian themed add-on. Now to get it, you need to click the gift card here, and once you click it, you can click deliver and it will send you the gift here. Accept that one. It will end in your objects. My object is a mess, but lucky for me it's at the top. There, let me close the objects again. So you got the gift card here. This is not the add-on. You need to wear this. So add it and it will attach as a HUD. And as you can see, wear this gift card and touch the terminal to receive your free Panthoria add-on. That's what you need to do. So wear it, and then you need to find the terminal. That's this one over here. And it has a button here that says touch here to redeem add-on gift card. So we do that. Click that one and give Second Life a second to react. There we go. Accept MG SMB Panthoria installer. We'll do that. That actually comes in as a folder with a voucher add me in it. I'll put the gift card in there too and take the gift card off, because now we got it here. So that is what we need. We're not going to deal with the Panthoria installer right now because we need to figure out how to unpack the Starmish body first and how to wear it. Let's do that in the next video. See you there.